I am now in the Meiling scenic area in Nanxi. Just for your information, this place has the highest yield of plums in southern Taiwan. In fact, Meiling is also one of the 3 wonders in Tainan. I've trained hard these past 2 days just to reach the peak. It's said that the routes are quite challenging, so I've contacted a local guide. I'll go meet him first, and then he'll take me up the peak. Hello, Mr. Xu. Initially, I thought there would be a guy in his 20s or maybe 30s to lead me up to the peak, but it turned out to be a white-haired man in his 50s. He was actually energetic and helped me all the way through. I can do this.
It's getting challenging now. Watch your step.
Oh, really? It's getting steeper, right?
Yes. It just rained, so
Oh, it just rained, yeah.
path is a bit slippery.
Whoa. It's important to have the right footwear.
Exactly. Next time, you might want to wear rain boots if the path isn't too long.
Rain boots?
Yes.
Oh, this is challenging. The path I am taking now is really tricky. With constant ups and downs, sometimes it's hard on my knees. Sometimes we need ropes to move forward.
You can see
Wow.
the mountains on the other side now. They appear in layers, and it's beautiful.
Oh, you're right. On our way here, I started to realize that this wasn't so challenging as I thought. With the help of the wooden paths and ropes, the hike becomes less difficult and dangerous.
Yes, actually, these were set up by me and my friend. Initially, there were no pads or ropes, so it was really dangerous. We still perform regular maintenance to this day.
Oh.
We're almost there.
Oh, to our destination?
Yes, here we are.
Whoa.
Narrow sky at Falcon Peak. I think this is the longest in Taiwan.
When I first saw it, I would say it looks like the Grand Canyon. When I walked in, I was like, whoa. Hey, look.
I know, there are a lot of bats. Actually, these are large bats, while the bats we usually see at home are quite small.
Yeah, they're huge. Oh my God. Oh, I don't want to disturb them.
You have good ecological awareness.
Thanks. Wow, they're spectacular.
This is the end of Falcon Peak.
Oh, no wonder it's one of the wonders of Tainan.
In addition to it, there's another site where you can enjoy breathtaking views.
Another site? Oh, I'm so excited.
Let's go then.
Okay, I can't wait. Whoa.
Here we are. Look at that.
Whoa.
This is our final destination. It's really marvelous.
Wow, it is really marvelous. Whoa! Oh, we are surrounded by mountains. This is literally your backyard.
Yeah, sort of.
Wow, it's amazing to see hawks hovering over there.
I was fascinated the first time I came here, so I was determined to help people come here against all odds.
Oh, being here at Falcon Peak definitely allows me to view Nanxi from a different perspective. Mr. Xu is really impressive. He not only is a skilled hiker, but also an exceptional cook. And we've come all this way to Meiling, so it's only fair for us to try some local delicacies. Mr. Lai.
After we paved the way for people to reach the peak, it's been around 20 years. Through this time, he's been in charge of maintenance. He's really dedicated.
That's impressive. What, you put all of those iron bars too?
I did. He carried them all up by
Whoa.
himself. That was nothing.
It was something.
Please try the dishes.
Oh, do we start from the appetizers? This one?
Wait. These are Chinese herbal medicines used to cook the plum chicken.
Oh, that's what they are.
I'm showing you how many ingredients go into making the plum chicken. The broth for our plum chicken is quite different.
How so?
Normally people grind the herbs into powder, but we have our own recipe. In order to make the broth sweeter and more delicious, we boil the herbs whole to give the broth a richer flavor. Last, we pour the broth over the well-cooked chicken.
Is this a plum? This dark one? It's so dark.
It's so dark because it's pickled for a long time. In Japan, the longer plums are pickled, the more valuable they become.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yes, and a bit sour.
Well, because normally this kind of soup isn't sweet. The plums do add an interesting flavor.
Try this plum-flavored vegetable. It's vegetable fern. In Taiwan, people started to eat this fern long time ago. We use plums to make the sauce and mix it with the vegetable. Give it a try.
Oh,
it's
it feels
refreshing.
like I'm falling in love.
I know, right? It is refreshing. Many people love this dish. They travel from afar for this because of its unique flavor.
While chatting with Mr. Lai, I'm surprised to learn that he's over 70. Mr. Lai and Mr. Xu checked and fixed the paths to the peak regularly just to share the beauty of Nanxi with others. During this journey, I was amazed by the natural scenery and deeply touched by the two men's love and devotion to their homeland. My visit to Nanxi in the past few days has really helped me rediscover this place. When I visited Tainan in the past, all I could think about was the delicious food, but this time, I've seen the three wonders of Tainan firsthand. While I was standing on Falcon's Peak, I felt like a falcon, overlooking the surrounding mountains from above. It was so spectacular that I can't find a right word to describe it. But you know, it was really worth it. How can I say no to such a wonderful place? I'm Christina, Linking368 Taiwan. Which town will we visit next? See you again next time.
Taiwan，成为一尾坚强有我咱的台湾黑马。